Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Auto Raksha, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of three-wheelers. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Photon Auto Three-Wheeler Raksha 2025 model. This is a game changer in the auto rickshaw segment, packed with new age features, improved efficiency, and a sleek design that stands out on the roads. If you're someone who loves innovation in urban mobility or a driver looking for a reliable, economical, and stylish ride, stay tuned because we're about to break down everything you need to know about this amazing machine. Let's start with the design. The Photon Auto 2025 model has been completely revamped to meet modern demands. The front end looks sharper, with a more aerodynamic shape that not only adds to its style but also helps with better airflow and stability. The headlights have been upgraded to high-intensity LED lights, ensuring a brighter and clearer vision, especially during night rides. The side panels are smoother, and the overall build quality feels more premium compared to previous models. Whether you're using it for personal transport or commercial purposes, this three-wheeler is bound to turn heads. Now, let's talk about the engine and performance. The Photon Auto Raksha 2025 is powered by a high-efficiency electric motor, making it one of the best choices for an eco-friendly ride. Unlike traditional petrol or diesel rickshaws, this one runs on clean energy, reducing carbon emissions and keeping operational costs low. With a powerful lithium-ion battery, this auto rickshaw can travel up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, depending on load and driving conditions. Plus, the charging time has been optimized, allowing a full charge in just 4 to 5 hours with a fast charger. That means less downtime and more time on the road, making it a fantastic option for daily commuters and business owners. When it comes to comfort and interior, Photon Auto has really stepped up its game. The seating arrangement is designed to provide maximum comfort for both drivers and passengers. The driver's seat is cushioned with ergonomic support, reducing fatigue during long hours of driving. The passenger area is spacious, with enough room to accommodate 3 adults comfortably. The new shock-absorbing suspension system ensures a smooth ride even on bumpy roads, making city travel much more enjoyable. Safety is another important factor, and the 2025 Photon Auto Raksha does not disappoint. The reinforced chassis structure improves durability and stability, reducing the chances of tipping over. The braking system has been enhanced with hydraulic disc brakes, providing better stopping power in emergency situations. It also comes with anti-skid technology, ensuring better grip on slippery roads, which is crucial during rainy seasons. Additionally, the auto rickshaw includes seat belts for the driver and passengers, adding an extra layer of safety. Now, let's dive into the features and technology. This model is equipped with a digital instrument cluster, displaying all necessary information like speed, battery level, and range. It even includes a GPS navigation system, allowing drivers to find the best routes efficiently. One of the coolest features is the Bluetooth connectivity, which lets drivers connect their phones and take hands-free calls, making their job easier and safer. The USB charging port is another handy addition, ensuring that drivers and passengers can keep their devices charged on the go. But what about maintenance and running costs? That's where this three-wheeler really shines. Since it's an electric vehicle, the maintenance cost is significantly lower compared to fuel-powered rickshaws. No more spending money on petrol, engine oil changes, or expensive mechanical repairs. The motor and battery are built to last, and with proper care, this rickshaw can serve you for years without major issues. Additionally, government incentives and subsidies for electric vehicles make it an even more affordable investment. One of the most exciting things about the Photon Auto 2025 model is its customization options. Buyers can choose from multiple color variants, allowing them to match their style or brand identity. Some models also come with roof variations, such as open-top or enclosed cabins, catering to different weather conditions. Whether you want a personalized look or a fleet that stands out, Photon Auto has you covered. Now, the big question: who should buy this rickshaw? If you're a ride-hailing driver, fleet owner, or small business looking for a cost-effective transport solution, this vehicle is a perfect choice. It's environmentally friendly, cost-efficient, and comfortable, making it a smart investment for the future. Plus, with the rising fuel prices, switching to electric is the way forward. Before we wrap up, let's talk about price and availability. The Photon Auto Three-Wheeler Raksha 2025 model is expected to launch at a competitive price, making it accessible to a wide range of buyers. Depending on the variant and location, pricing may vary, but with government incentives and financing options, owning this electric rickshaw is easier than ever. So, what do you think about the Photon Auto Raksha 2025? Is this the future of three-wheelers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bao Auto Raksha for more exciting updates on the latest vehicles. We'll be back with more amazing content, so stay tuned.